A very happy Sankranti and Pongal to all our viewers. We are coming to you here from Parade Grounds in Secunderabad, and what you see around me is food that's come from all the states of India. More than 550 participants, all of them not commercial operators but housewives who have brought what they cook at their homes, the sweets and savory from different parts of India. 550 different participants and 1200 varieties of sweets and savory, all here at the parade grounds. उत्तराखंड से एक बहुत बड़ी डेलीगेशन पहुंची हुई है, बताइए।
हाँ जी, मैं उत्तराखंड से हूँ। मेरा नाम नीमा है और मैं उत्तराखंड का जो लहसुन होता है ना, उसका मैं एक गार्लिक टोस्ट लेके आई हूँ, जो बेसन में बहुत ही हेल्दी होता है और बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट है, और आप उसे बहुत ही डाइजेशन में बहुत ही अच्छे वो रहता है।
क्या ट्रेडिशनल जो स्वीट्स या सैवरी हैं उत्तराखंड के, उसमें कोई बदलाव आया है या जो आप लेके आए हैं वो ट्रेडिशनल स्वीट्स हैं या सैवरी हैं?
यस मैम, डेफिनेटली हमारा ट्रेडिशनल स्वीट है। स्वीट और हॉट जो भी है, आगे भी बहुत सारे स्वीट लगे हुए उत्तराखंड के, आप देख लीजिए। ये हमारा फेमस है उत्तराखंड का। उत्तराखंड में जो नमक बनता है, ये हमें जैसे कच्चे आम हो गए, खीरा हो गए, इन चीज़ों में खाने के लिए लहसुन का नमक बोलते हैं उसे, लेकिन उत्तराखंड में बहुत फेमस है। आप लोग भी ले लीजिए, टेस्ट कीजिए कैसा बना हुआ है। तो मैम ये जो बना है यहाँ पे रोल बना है, इसे ये पहले आलू बॉईल करना पड़ता है, फिर बॉईल करने के बाद उसको मैश करके उसमें नमक मिर्ची मसाला डालना पड़ता है, जो उत्तराखंड का ही नमक होता है। फिर उसे ब्रेड के
लहसुन नमक का की खासियत क्या है?
मैम एक बार टेस्ट कीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा खासियत क्या है।
गैस की गवाही नहीं लेनी पड़ती है मैडम।
हाँ, इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है।
ये है वो नमक।
यस मैम, ये नमक है, ये नमक है।
If you thought chocolates come from Switzerland, these are from Telangana.
My name is G. Anushka from Bandara Hills. We have a brownie and experts in Attapur, pillar number 159. So we undertake all orders, birthday parties, every orders.
Delicious bakery items, laddus and murkus.
Yeah. Actually, we are three friends actually. We started this from 4-5 years back actually. So basically we are into bakery items initially. But now we have started, these kind of things, millet healthy laddus. And these are poha,
What are these made of?
jaggery and wheat. Yeah.
So you don't use maida here.
No maida at all, no sugar at all, only jaggery items.
These are millet laddus, millet dry fruit laddu with jaggery.
Yeah, these are choco chip cookies, eggless. We also make gluten free based, but only order based we make. But we use even coconut sugar for baking. Yeah.
So I am making jalmuri chaat, which is actually from Calcutta, Bengal. So we're just murmura, sesame oil, and everything else required for chaat.
What are these, ma'am?
Yeah, hi ma'am. Hi. So this is Ritu, and I'm presenting West Bengal today. Again, mixed with, when it comes to AI, artificial intelligence, I say human intelligence is something which has no other alternatives. So that's where
These are baked rasagullas. Wow.
this is baked rasagullas. This is tender coconut rasgulla. Tender coconut rasgulla is something.
What is this?
This is matka rabdi. Yes, homemade rabdis with lots of dry fruits and matka, within matka. And this is tender coconut rasgulla prepared with the malai of the tender coconut and the milk of the tender coconut. This takes a hell lot of time to prepare, for sure. But again, this is one of my innovations. This is also something inspired by West Bengal. This is matka rabdi, you must be knowing.
Wow. So that is West Bengal for you, bringing in the rasgulla in a new form and tender coconut. Can you imagine having these sweets from tender coconut as well? The next one. So Punjab is here too.
Sat Shri Akal, I'm Tina Kaur Sahani, and we have got a little bit of Punjab here. We are getting makai ki roti, sarson ka saag, then gajrela, and we also have a lemon honey chia seeds drink with white butter on top. I hope you all enjoy our little Punjab over here.
हम गुजरात से हैं, मेरा नाम नसीम है। हम लोग खमन ढोकला गुजरात के फेमस आइटम है हमारे पास, और भेलपुरी है और गुलाब जामुन है, गुजरात के फेमस है गुलाब जामुन।
हेलो, मेरा नाम प्रशंसा है। मैं बिहार से बिलोंग करती हूँ और ये हमारे बिहार का ट्रेडिशनल डिश है लिट्टी चोखा। हाँ, वह यहाँ ये बहुत पसंद करते हैं लोग, और हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी इसको बहुत बहुत लाइक करते हैं।
क्या बात है। सो ये लिट्टी है, चोखा है, पिकल भी है, और ये
मटर की कचौड़ी है, ग्रीन पीस कचौड़ी।
ग्रीन पीस कचौड़ी। वाह 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 वाह। I may not be in Bihar, but I get the taste of every single state.
Today we are at the International Sweet Fest and the Kite Fest at the Parade Ground in Hyderabad. We are presenting our authentic delicacies and food from Haryana today. Please have a quick look and
What are these that you're talking about?
So ma'am, this is peanut barfi. This is something that we traditionally make using some organic sugar and coconut and peanuts. And also this is bajre ki tikri. So bajra is a very important grain, or important millet that is had during the winter season in Haryana. Along with that, there is cholye ki chutney. So this is a special sort of cholia which we get during the winter season.
The green ones. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So we have made a chutney out of it to make it even more healthy, good for the immunity and everything.
And here you have innovated with dhokla.
Yeah, ma'am. This is rice dhokla. We made this, and with this we made green chutney.
Happy Sankranti. Enjoy all the sweets.
Happy Sankranti.
So International Kite Festival here at the Parade Grounds in Secunderabad. I have with me Minister for Tourism, sir. People from 45 countries have come in here and you're also helping them fly the kites.
It's a great, it's a pleasant atmosphere, I've seen for the first time. It's our, during our culture. It almost a globe, we are showcasing Telangana throughout the world, our culture. This we used to play when I was as a school student, we used to play on the rooftop of the village. So now after a long gap, this is an opportunity for me. Really 30-40 countries, they are displaying colorful kites, and which we didn't even imagine once.
You are celebrating the skies. You are bringing not just tradition but technology as well. You're going to have a soccer of drones, I understand.
I am also not only drones and also air balloons, in which me and my younger brother both of us are going to fly, including my chairman. We are going to fly in the air balloon.
So you have all the DGCA permissions and the safety is taken care of.
Yes, 100%. You can also cover, we can play soccer, media versus ministers.
So childhood memories, आपके क्या memories हैं kite flying के आपके बचपन से?
हैदराबाद का शान का पतंग उड़ाने के लिए आज की तारीख में नहीं आया, पहले से हैदराबाद इसके लिए मशहूर है। और अभी जो सरकार के तरफ से हम जो फेस्टिवल बना रहे, बहुत सारे देश से आए हैं और हैदराबाद में हर गली में अब धूलपेट में पतंगों का फैक्ट्री इतना बड़ा है, आप यकीन नहीं करते उतना बड़ा फैक्ट्री पतंग तैयार होता है। तो पूरा देश भर में हम यहाँ सप्लाई करते हैं, उतना पतंग का सेलिब्रेशन खुशी से होता है।
I also have the chairperson, the MD of the tourism department. You brought people from all states, not just to fly kites, but to give the savories and the sweets as well.
Yes, more than 18 countries kite flyers are participating currently. 55 kite flyers have come. Even across India also 45 kite flyers have come. Along with this, more than 500 stalls are given to women belonging to different states of the country to bring their food delicacies and savories to the public of Telangana.
And interestingly, they are not commercial operators, but people who are making these sweets in their own homes.
Exactly. The idea is to promote the culinary delicacies of the different states and also as an attraction to the public of Telangana who can come and enjoy the sweets of India.
What does the kite mean to you when it flies there, top of the sky? So what does it feel like?
It's a hobby, but it's more than a hobby, because when my kite in the sky, I feel freedom. So I'm like a bird. So I'm flying everywhere. So I'm traveling around the globe and I'm sharing the sky with my friends. So with friends, we're birds flying in the sky.
Thank you so much. So that's the spirit of the Kite Festival, where people from across the world are gathered here, and yes, all of them flying their kites together and celebrating what is the brotherhood, the universal brotherhood. And yes, he has come along with his friend as well. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.